Hey guys, so come with me to go on a somewhat scavenger hunt to find my notes just to take a note on when my anniversary is. By the way, yes, I don't know where my stuff is. It doesn't have the letters. I mean words. No. Wait. That's my gotcha. Apps. Entertainment. Oh, Wi-Fi needed games. Some of those are Wi-Fi needed. Gotcha videos. Message apps used for content. Games. Don't think it'd be in the games. Editing app. Bro. Oh, right there. Previous 30 days. Nice. So I have to delete that and I have to put it as December. December 28th anniversary. I'm done. Okay. Finally, I will be doing a live after posting after posting this and after finishing up on a few videos I have about a few I have about a few videos that I'm going to be posting. Other than this, that is all I want to say at the live. Hope you guys enjoy.